In this video, we'll walk through the process of installing an over-the-air software and firmware update on the PPR. This change is typically inhibited by the Run Program Jumper J9. To move that jumper position, the user must open their PPR case, locate the Run Program Jumper J9, and move it from the run position to the program position. Following the change or update, that jumper position can be moved back to run, which will allow the system to operate as expected. From the home screen, we see an alarm notification indicating that there is a new version available. So we'll follow that to our main menu, and then on the version screen, the indicator 1 here shows that there is at least one software update available. When we get to the version screen, we'll be on the Overview tab, which indicates the current software and firmware versions. And on the Software tab, we can still see that there's one update available. If you're not seeing available updates, the Check Updates button can be pressed to ensure that we're viewing all of the latest software that's available for this PPR. The installation process can be performed by pressing the Install button on the version that we desire to install. Once we've pressed that button, we'll need to authenticate the user's identity, and the PPR will ensure that they have the right credentials to install software updates. After the software update has been installed, it's important to always cycle power on the device. Once the PPR has powered back on, we can ensure that the latest version of software is installed by going back to the Version Overview tab and seeing that the last version of software that was installed, in this case 7.5.3, is now the current version of software on our PPR.